Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. Well, Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra is rumored to be launched in December 2022 and is expected to run on Android 12 OS. The smartphone is expected to be made available in more than 3 color options: white, blue, gray, orange, silver, black. And will have a built-in fingerprint sensor as the primary security feature, along with a host of connectivity options in terms of 3G, 4G, GPS, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth capabilities. The phone will come with 256 GB of internal storage. As far as the specifications are concerned, the smartphone is tipped to be powered by 1 by 3.00 GHz, 3 by 2.50 GHz, 4 by 1.80 GHz octa-core Qualcomm SM8450, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor. A 8 GB of RAM will help phone run smoothly even the most memory-intensive applications without showing any signs of lag. The phone in all probability will come with a powerful 6000 mAh battery to support its 6.9-inch screen with foldable OLED display having a resolution of 1984 by 2272 at 381 ppi. Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra is speculated to boast of dual primary camera of 200MP, 64MP, 50 megapixel and 40 megapixel front camera. The smartphone will have a low camera aperture of f1.9. It will support face detection and high dynamic range HDR imaging as well. Samsung unveiled its 200MP ISOCELL HP1 camera last September, but it hasn't used it on any of its smartphones yet. And while we await more details from Samsung about its first 200MP camera smartphone, Korean publication ET News claims that Samsung has finished developing its new 200MP camera sensor, which is expected to be used on next year's Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy Note 23 Ultra. It claims that Samsung Electromechanics, the Korean conglomerate's camera division, will manufacture 70% of the new 200MP sensors units, while 30% will be manufactured by Samsung Electronics. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra this year became the first in the S series to support the popular S Pen, which helped Samsung differentiate between the current lineup and the Note series. Now its focus is divided between the S series, offering an Ultra variant, and then diversifying into the foldable with the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip devices in the market. While the company is a core part of the premium segment, somehow it has stayed away from the fast-charging race with Chinese brands. Even the phones from Samsung that cost well over a lakh come with 45W charging speed at best. At the other end, you have the likes of Xiaomi giving you 120W fast charging, and Realme coming with 150W fast charging speeds for their mid-range performance devices. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.